Periodic table of elements. 8.5c. Interpret the arrangement of the periodic table, including groups and periods, to explain how properties are used to classify elements. Essential question. What are some physical and chemical properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids? The elements of the periodic table can be divided into three main categories: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Properties of metals. Metals are solids. They are hard. They have luster, which means shining. They are good conductors of heat and electricity, poor insulators of heat and electricity. They are ductile, which means can be stretched into thin wires. Malleable, can be pounded or hammered into thin sheets. They have a high melting and boiling point, meaning it takes a lot of heat to melt them and boil them. A chemical property of metal is its reaction with water, which results in corrosion or rust. Properties of nonmetals. May be a solid, liquid, or a gas. They are soft. Solid nonmetals are brittle and break easily. They are dull or not shiny. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Good insulators of heat and electricity. Not ductile or malleable, meaning they cannot be stretched and they cannot be pounded into thin sheets. They have low melting and boiling points. The example you see here is sulfur. Properties of metalloids. They have properties of both metals and nonmetals. They are solids that can be shiny or dull. They conduct heat and electricity better than nonmetals, but not as well as metals. They also can be ductile and malleable. The example you see here is silicon.